damn phone already.
Look out!
Let the lady go, Bat Freak, or these people all get a bullet in their heads.
I think you should do what he says. It would be a shame to get blood all over my nice new outfit. What do you think, Batbrain? Like it? What am I saying? Of course you do. Who wouldn't? So anyway, here's the deal. Mr. J is really not up to a visit right now. He's not feeling himself. Well, actually, he was earlier, but that's not what I meant. He's not doing so good, and that idiot doctor I sent from here didn't help. I've seen more smarts from these bozos. I've got to run, boys. If he tries anything funny, kill him!
Attacking. Armed thugs head-on is suicide. I need to disappear. Pick them off silently, one by one.
Don't you move. Where's he gone?
He disappeared!
They don't know where I am.
Screw that!
Good. Let's
He's gonna
keep it
get
that
us.
way. Time to survey the room. Plan out my tactics. 4 thugs, all armed. 2 hostages. This is gonna be easy.
We need to get out of here.
He's gonna get us!
Batman, can you hear me? Try and get us and these people die!
That won't stop him! Oh man, I'm gonna die in here.
You're safe. Stay quiet. If I can get behind those 2 without being seen, I can take them both in one move.
What's happening? Answer me, man! What's going on?
You'll be okay. Wait here and don't make a noise. The room is secure. You're safe now.
Yo, Batman, thanks for the help. Okay, people, listen up. We're in control here, not these animals. I want this place locked down tight. All medical staff check supplies. Find out if anything was taken.
What about Stacy? Isn't anyone going to help her?
I don't know if any of you just noticed, but that man just saved our asses. If anyone can find her, he'll do it. Okay, everyone understand? Look after the wounded, keep the bad guys out. We're a team, let's keep it that way.
There's the gun. It looks like it's being controlled remotely by Joker.
Well, look who it is. I haven't seen you for... How long has it been? Let's see. There was an asylum, some monsters, and oh, that's right. You left me to die. Now, you probably don't remember it that way, but who cares? You just need to worry about the bombs. Hurry up now.
Alfred, I've got a lock on the signal used to remotely control the sniper rifle. Joker's behind this.
Was there ever any doubt?
The radio signal should lead me right to him.
Good luck, sir.
I'm telling you, Batman blew up the bell tower.